Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. Here we go, the trades of the day here on Tuesday, January 12th, 2021. Market, when it opens, you want to sit back. Trading tip, sit back first 10-15 minutes to gauge the range and the whip ass in an NQ. Because sometimes it can act like a ping pong ball, up and down, up and down. And with the news of the impeachment pending, the market was moving pretty quick. So we decided to sit out the first half hour. Just because you have a trading robot doesn't mean you just turn it on and let it go. I mean, the market was just moving too fast, and you got to sit the whip ass out. I mean, I'm sure you could have made some nice trades, but I prefer the less risky time to trade. So our first trade didn't go off until 10 o'clock. Market slowed down just a little bit, so we started the Autotrader trading robot just before 10 when I was in a downtrend, and the market was no really trend. It was just going up and down like the NQ does. and so we're still trading 3 contracts. We upped our goal due to the volatility, so we're going for $800 goal here. And on the 3 contracts, as you see it entered using unmanaged orders, we get in all at the same price, and we exit at our profit target. I think it was about 22 ticks or so based on the range. And then it made a trend change to the downside. And again, we hit our profit target, lock in some gains, and then we just wait for the trend change to the upside, and our goal is hit. And that's the way you use the trading robot, trading the NQ or any other futures. Like I said, the action was pretty quick on Tuesday here, and it's best when the market is going too quick to sit out the first half hour. And that's exactly what we did, and that's about having discipline, not getting hyped, not jumped in the market just because it's open. Got to put your finger on the trigger and trade something. Sit back and relax and let the market come to you. Let the market show its hand. What is it doing? I've said that a dozen times. And if it's moving on news, moving too quick, you just can't trade it. Simple as that. You got all day to trade and plenty of time to put on some trades. So let's look at the second trade of the day. So after the first trade, we sit back, analyze the market. What's it doing? Is it going up, going down? And basically it looked like the market here was going to bounce back up. So we restarted the Autotrader a couple minutes after the last trade. And as you see, we got stopped out. It got long, but the long fizzled. It got stopped, and we got a loss on the trade with the trading robot. It's not a perfect trading machine. You will have losses, and this is one of them. So basically, I probably should have sat out the market a little bit longer instead of jumping right in, but the adrenaline flow gets going from the last trade, and you just want to keep trading with the robot, and you get hyped up, and sometimes the hype will slap you in the face like it just did here, and you learn from it. And there's certain rules that we follow in trading with the robot, and basically I broke the rule. I should have waited a little bit longer to get into the market based on our rule set. So we sit back, watch the market, and we gave back some of our profits, so we're going to go and make another trade, see if we can have a bounce back play. And let's look at that trade. So here's our third trade of the day on the NQ. We hopped right back into the market as the NQ looked like it was falling off the cliff. So as you see, we started the auto trader and we're still going with the bigger goal. Well, no, we had a goal of 600. I lowered the goal. So basically, falling off the cliff look, and it did fall. So basically, we got in just in the nick of time. As you see, the dotted vertical line is when we started it. Got short, and it went down on the sell-off. Hit our first goal. We locked in some gains, and then on the reversal, it got long, and the market was still moving pretty quick. As you see, this whole trade lasted 2 minutes. Got long on the reversal. Trading Robot knows when to get long and get short. Pretty damn accurate, as you see. It goes up, blows past our profit goal, and we get a little bit of slippage and extra bonus. And so that's our bounce back play. We've seen the market getting ready to tank, and I think some news came out, probably on the impeachment stuff, which caused the market to take a dive. So you always got to be paying attention to the news these days, because it does move the market. And if you were thinking like, well, hey, I should buy some on the way down, you would have sank the ship probably. So now we're back up, and it's our choice whether to put on another trade or call it a day and take our money and return the next day. So with a wide range in the market, we decided to go for one more trade, but this time we step away from the computer. Got to step away because, I'm staring at three 32-inch monitors, and it's like being in Vegas. You want to play, you want to play, you want to play, you want to gamble. And so sometimes you got to step away, take a break. If you didn't have breakfast, go get breakfast, or just go for a walk, whatever. Just get away from the computers, because you can get memorized and give it back if you don't know what you're doing. So it's always good to take a break, even sometimes after every trade. Refresh your brain and clear your mind. So anyways, let's look at the third trade. And it's always good to take a break. If you're old like me, 58 years old, you need to stretch your legs. So let's look at the third trade. So after our break, we come back after 10:30, analyzing the market. The market's making a push up, and then it peaks at a high. And we thought the market was going to go higher, but then again, let the trading robot make all the decisions. And first trade gets stopped out. The trading bot gets short, and we sell off, and we ride it down to the full potential. And then I knew the market would be going lower, so we did I take that long there? What does it say? Long. Yeah, I should have shut the long off. It got long with a small stop there on the reversal there in the middle there at 10:44. And then the bottom fell out once again. It got short. 3 contracts sold off. Hit our daily max gain with slippage a little bit. And we were done for the day. It's almost 11. Hour and a half of trading. We made our daily goal. No need to keep trading. Get away from the computer. Don't get memorized. Buy the 332-inch monitors and come back tomorrow and do the same thing. And that's exactly what we'll do. Same patterns repeat, and we trade them with the trading robot. So hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook and Twitter. Till next time, have a good evening. This is Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net.